The Kavango East region received more than $400 million in the ended financial year, of which more than 50% went to the renovations of schools and hostels. The provision of water and sanitation, as well as electrification of schools, also enjoyed a particular attention.
In relation to rural electrification, the Ministry of Mines and Energy has electrified 7 schools, namely Kaduva Junior School, Karanawa Primary School, Vikota Primary School, Manchenya Primary School, Kangunja Primary School, Fumbe Primary School, Totoma Primary School in the Kavango East region.
Classrooms were constructed at 11 schools at a total cost of $11 million, while hostel and classroom renovation at Divundu, Neyuva, Yuru and Kayengona combined schools are ongoing.
This amount has made enormous improvement towards infrastructure development and renovations.
Revamp of the Linus, Shashipopo Secondary and Andara Combined School are being done at a cost of $91 million and $33 million respectively. The construction of the Rundu Rural West Primary School, expected to relieve pressure on the overpopulated Sauyemwa Primary, is also on course at a cost of $23 million. Other major projects completed include the construction of the sewer and water reticulation infrastructure at Diona Settlement. The Divundu Village Council delivered 135 urban, while 250 are expected to be serviced in the current financial year. On health care, the Shadikongo and Nkaute clinics were constructed to the tune of $7 million and $9 million respectively.